One of the chefs today?
Hi.
Catherine is going to show you, you know, if you've been in the hospital lately, they give you those little crustless sandwiches, the round sandwiches, and they're very expensive if you buy them in the store. So Catherine is going to make her own, and she's going to show us how to do that. So Catherine?
Today I will be showing you how to make an Uncrustable sandwich. First, you wash your hands. Second, you get 2 pieces of white bread. Third, cut off the crust. Eat it.
This little bowl, if you're going to put soup in the microwave or something in, you put it in here. You put the whole thing in the microwave so you can take it out and you won't get burned.
That's
so this
really
is for
cool.
you. You're going to get a certificate. This is for Chef Catherine Huckenberry for demonstrating excellent cooking skills while cooking on a budget. And this is for you. You get a box of Cool Pops so you can go home and freeze these for later. And you get a $10 gift card for Wendy's. So all of this is for you, and thank you very much for sharing.
Hello, I'm Zoe. I'm going to do peas and rice today.
And what kind of rice are we cooking in the pot?
Jasmine rice.
Is that your favorite kind?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there a reason why you prefer jasmine rice?
Not really.
Just tastes good? So what did we put in the pot back there?
Some rice and water.
And then we put the fire up high, right? And once it got real high, what is it doing now?
It is slowly boiling.
Yeah, which is known as simmering, right?
Yep.
And then once it's done, what do we add to our rice?
Peas.
And are they frozen when you put them in there?
Yes.
And they cook? Just from the heat of the rice?
Yeah, and then they're thawed the time that you're ready to eat them.
They're like perfect, right? And what else do we add to it besides peas?
Butter.
Butter, because butter always makes it better. And then what kind of seasoning do we put in a pot of rice?
Salt.
Some salt, yeah.
This is chicken, diced chicken, chicken breast. We're going to use Catalina dressing. We have the onion soup mix, not peanut butter, cranberries. We have whole berries. So this is a very simple meal. We're going to mix the chicken in with all of this and pop it in the oven. And when it's done, we're going to pour it over the peas and rice.
We got a little bit longer right there. See how there's a little bit liquid on there still? You want that all to be absorbed. So maybe like 5 or 6 more minutes? All right.
You have your $10 Wendy's card and your pot holder. And this says, Zoe Blair for demonstrating quick and nutritious meals at Pantry Cooking. Yay! That's for you.
My name is Corbin Zebar, and I'm not sure what the bread is actually called. Me and my dad have been making it a lot for family dinners. So most of the family just calls it Corbin's bread. So you get French bread, you cut it in half, and first you want to get olive oil and you want to sprinkle it on the top of the half. You want to be kind of generous with it. Next you take a Greek spice, you can use whatever you want. You want to be pretty generous with that, you want to sprinkle it on there. Next you take just sliced tomatoes, and you want to fill them in as much as you can, kind of like a puzzle. You want to take cheese, usually mozzarella, and you want to sprinkle it on there. And you want to be pretty generous with this too. Make sure to get the edges. So now you just throw it in the oven, 15 minutes at 350, and then after that it's done.
For Chef Corbin, and his is for demonstration of excellent healthy eating cooking skills. So for our chef.